A brand new playground is now open at Bloomfield Park, giving Lakewood families a new and improved place to play, climb, and spend some time outside.
I love it. It has lots of things for the kids to climb on, and the big slide is so much fun.
Community Services Manager Joe Vasquez says this project brings new equipment, shade structures for families, and the tallest slide in the city, all part of improving parks across Lakewood.
I think it's important to really invest in the infrastructure of the city. We don't have any other slide like this in the city, and we've got a lot of good feedback on that. The speed, the thrill that the kids get. We're excited to really give the kids an adventure to look forward to.
City leaders say the new playground is the result of community investment from both the city and county, including Measure L, a local funding measure approved by Lakewood voters to support city improvements, and Measure A, a Los Angeles County program that helps fund park and recreation projects across the region.
We know that parks make life better, and we're so glad that we can just add a bit more joy to the residents and to the kids in our community's lives. It was possible because Lakewood voters voted for Measure L some years ago to ensure that we have funds to upgrade our facilities like our parks. Having leadership who believes in our community and our amazing, talented staff and contractors who have made this place possible. And I'm looking forward to kids enjoying it for years and years to come.
For residents like Jeremy, it's a place where memories start now and continue as their child grows.
We have a new thing for our community, and it's fantastic, and we're so excited that she has a new place to play. We can swing together and slide together, but I know as you grow and get older, there's stuff for you to do then too. It's a great way for a community to come together, build bridges, meet new friends, especially for someone like Evangeline, who is an only child. And so she gets to socialize and sort of have a spot where she can come, play safely with community, with neighbors. It's really special.
For City TV, I'm Cindy Kennedy.